Hey, what's up guys? This is the new terabyte wireless adapter TB01358B. This adapter cost me around 300 rupees in India. This adapter claims up to the speed of 600 Mbps. As you can see here, it is written on it that this will give you 600 Mbps. We will find it later that it is providing the 600 Mbps or it is just on the written, as this is the cheapest adapter I found on the Amazon and Flipkart, which will give you the speed of 600 Mbps. Now coming on to the packing, it is completely a plastic coated packing. As you can see on the front it is plastic, and on the back side it is also plastic. It's okay, we didn't expect that much price. On the back side you will find some specification written on it, like wireless standards, host interface, data rate, frequency, RF band modulation, data security and operating system. It supports almost all operating systems, and on the last it is written it is a made in China. So without wasting time, let's open it up. Okay. Okay, you will get a wireless dongle by N, a dongle with the to put the antenna on the back. On the back side you will get the terabyte written on it. A Wi-Fi antenna, plastic, it's completely made up of plastic. The dongle is also made up of plastic, and you don't need to, and you will get a CD, and it will be a driver CD. So now let's see what's inside it. To put the driver, it's just like plug and play. Put it in your USB.
As if you are on Windows 10, you will see that you don't need to even install the drivers. Just put it on click on the Wi-Fi and select the Wi-Fi 2. As you can see, the range of my on laptop Wi-Fi, I'm getting full signals. If you are using it without the external antenna, you will get definitely a low signal strength. So let's check out the interface, how it will look. I'm installing the drivers. If you don't got the driver CD, you can download from the description below. I'm uploading all the drivers. This is the interface of your Wi-Fi adapter. Radio frequency, no security lock. It's pretty simple interface, as I'm getting the 23% strength. As you can see, it's a good thing. Now let me connect the external antenna with it.
To connect the antenna, you just need to put the antenna on the back side. You just need to rotate it. Okay, done with the antenna. It will look like this.
Oh, you can see that now I'm getting 100% strength. Okay, antenna is pretty much useful, as I recommend to use antenna to get the 100% signal strength, or to increase the signal strength you must use the antenna. As now I'm connecting it. Okay, to connect with it you just need to click on the connect button, put the password. Okay, wait. Cool. Okay, now I'm connected with my internet connection. Okay, this is the speed. I have a 10 Mbps connection, so for now we will check my speed test. Okay, I'm getting 10 Mbps. It's almost 10 Mbps, right? In continuous. As it is giving me currently 72 Mbps as adapter, wireless adapter. Signal quality is approx 100%. Yes, you can see link information. You can search the network here. What are the currently network available? You can see the status. You can see you can add and delete the profiles. In setting, you can add the certificate. That's it on the interface side, and that's all about it. If you have any problem, comment down below. I'll try to help you. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.